The 3D portal crane is intended as a component part of the 3D scanner, and for that reason it has the equipment required by the 3D scanner functions. The 3D self-moving portal crane moves by remote control and has tilting wheels. The 3D self-moving portal crane uses a new concept of lifting mechanism. The cable accumulator is a hoist piloted by a ball screw. The 3D self-moving portal crane is equipped with a horizontal position stabilizer, horizontality sensors, and verticality sensors, and is based on the Sequoia principle. The self-moving 3D portal crane moves on any type of terrain and can work both inside and outside the halls, in any type of environment, its mechanisms being encapsulated and protected from the weather and other external factors. In the following episodes, we will present the 3D scanner with which the self-moving 3D portal crane is equipped and the possible uses of the 3D portal, both in civilian life and in war theaters.